In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up alerts for transactions in the USA app in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you want to keep a closer eye on your spending or you just enjoy having more control over your transactions, these alerts can be super helpful. Let's get started by opening up the USAA app and signing into your account. Make sure you have your user credentials handy to make this process as smooth as possible. Next, you'll want to navigate to your profile or settings within the app. This is where we can access all the backend features and manipulate notifications to work for us. If there's any need to enable device notifications on your phone, make sure you do so now. This step might not apply to everyone, but it's crucial because without device permission, you won't receive those desired alerts. Now let's find the account alerts section. This might be under a submenu like notifications or alerts, depending on how your settings are configured. Once there, you'll be able to tailor the app to your specific needs. You can choose which accounts you'd like to receive alerts for and the type of transactions to be monitored, whether it's checking, savings, or your credit card. Each account can be personalized with different alerts. After selecting the relevant account, think about what kinds of alerts you'll find most useful. Some people prefer notifications for every transaction, while others may only be interested in particular thresholds being crossed or unusual activity. Here, you'll be able to set those thresholds that fit your financial habits. For instance, you might want an alert every time a transaction over $50 is made. Once you've adjusted these settings, choose your preferred delivery method. This could range from push notifications, emails, or even texts, depending on what you find most convenient. After selecting your alert type and delivery method, click on Confirm and Test. It's important to test the setup to ensure everything runs smoothly and as expected. This is your chance to verify that alerts are delivered correctly. If you ever want or need to tweak these settings, you can always edit or turn them off. The app's flexibility lets you adapt to changes in your lifestyle or preferences quickly and effortlessly. Remember, it's a good idea to only enable alerts on devices you trust. If you notice you're not receiving push alerts, take a moment to check your phone's notification settings and your message preferences within the app. I hope you found this guide comprehensive and easy to understand. Customizing your alerts can greatly enhance your financial tracking and provide peace of mind. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to keep your notifications up to date. Have a great day.